What if a cruiser could feel sporty, comfortable, and beginner-friendly all at the same time? The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is built to challenge everything you think you know about cruisers. After years of riding and reviewing bikes, this one stands out for a simple reason. It does things differently. The Vulcan S isn't about heavy chrome and lazy power. It's about balance, control, and everyday usability. Engine and performance. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S comes with a 649cc parallel twin that delivers smooth, predictable power. It's not overwhelming, but it's quick enough to keep things exciting. The throttle response is clean, making it ideal for both new riders and experienced ones who want a relaxed but capable ride. Comfort and riding experience. What really sets this bike apart is comfort. The adjustable ergonomics let riders of different heights find their perfect fit. The seat is low, the reach is natural, and long rides feel easy. It handles more like a sporty bike than a traditional cruiser, which makes city riding and cornering much more enjoyable. Design and features. The design stays modern and minimal. It's not flashy, but it looks sharp. You get a clean digital display, smooth suspension, and a lightweight frame that gives you confidence on the road. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is perfect for riders who want a cruiser that actually rides like a real-world bike. It's practical, fun, and easy to live with. This video is for informational purposes only. Specs and features may vary by region. Always check with your local dealer before making a purchase decision.